In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar so you can create meetings faster, keep your schedule organized, and make sure your event details are easy to share. If you work across Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar, this is a simple workflow that can save you time every single day. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign into the Google account you use for your work or personal schedule. Once you're in, look for the Create button, usually at the top left of the screen. Click Create and then choose Event. This opens the event editor where you can add all the important meeting details. Now enter the meeting title. This should clearly describe what the meeting is about so everyone knows what to expect when they see it on the calendar. After that, choose the date and time for the meeting. Be sure to double check the time zone if you're working with people in different locations because that can easily cause confusion. Next, look for the conferencing option. In the event details, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and if Microsoft Teams integration is available on your account, select Microsoft Teams from the available options. If you don't see it right away, make sure your calendar add-ons or Workspace integrations are properly set up, since availability can depend on your organization's settings. Once the Microsoft Teams option is selected, the meeting details should begin to populate in the event. This is the part that connects your calendar event to the meeting platform, so your attendees can join without extra back and forth. Then, add the participants by entering their email addresses in the Guests section. You can add one person or multiple people depending on the size of the meeting. After that, take a moment to review everything. Check the title, date, time, and meeting link to make sure everything looks correct. If you need reminders or notifications, you can adjust those before saving. When everything is ready, click Save. Once you save the event, Google Calendar will update it with the team's meeting details. That means your guests will be able to open the event and see the meeting information right from the calendar invite. It makes scheduling much easier and helps keep everything in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar for a smoother scheduling workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.